sent me some luxury blanks, and I'm going to try them on. I don't even know what's in the package. I told them to surprise me. All I know is there's some really premium quality luxury blanks inside of it, and I'm very excited to try them on and see how they fit. My name is Eben. I own a brand called Omnee World. You guys can go follow it right here. So the brand is called Rene Bassett. And so they sent me 2 pieces, a hoodie and a t-shirt. But like I said, I don't know what the colors are. Them to surprise me. So this is going to be exciting. I just want to say this is crazy. Very grateful. Shout out to Rene Bassett for sending me these. All right, guys, let's get into it and unbox this package. All right, so first up, packaging. I got the name on it. Always good. Nice little branding touch. All right, so looks like we got this red hoodie, and we got this vintage wash t-shirt, and we got a size medium in both. Okay, first I'm gonna try on this t-shirt because the quality looks insane. Oh shit! They use recycled plastic bags for their garments too. Shit! Damn. Super wide and boxy fit. Alright, so first up, the fit of this thing. The sizing is oversized, so there's a medium. Definitely fits pretty loose on me, but it's a nice oversized fit, not too oversized. And so these are made with 300 GSM premium cotton, which is equivalent to 9 ounces, I believe. But yeah, this fabric is insanely nice, like very thick, but also soft and comfortable. I don't know, overall it just feels like a very nice t-shirt though. And also this ribbing is just so fire. The wash on it looks super cool. It's also very comfortable. It's not too tight or it's not too loose either. It's also a nice width. All right, but now we're gonna try on the hoodie. All right, so already straight out of the bag, this thing is just super soft. And also the main thing for me is like the fit of it, the length, not too long. It's kind of the biggest downfall with most hoodies, I feel like, is they are just so long. So this one's like very nice, boxy, wide fit. Like everyone loves to say these days. What else are you going to call it, I guess? The ribbing on this one is also very nice and soft. Let's see how the inside feels. Damn. Super soft French terry. If you guys don't know what French terry is, I use it for all of my pieces in my brand. And very soft and comfortable. It's also very like breathable. French terry is very nice though. That's all you have to know. Oh, the other thing about these blanks, they are not branded. So there's no tag in here. I don't have to rip it off or like cut it out like in my other video I was saying with Shockaware. They got the sewn in tags. That shit is super annoying if you are trying to like print on these or something. But anyways, let's try this thing on. Okay. Alright, so this thing is definitely fire. Fuck yeah, dude. I think they have 16 colors total. So I'm gonna definitely be wearing this all the time. Let's see here. So first up, the fit. Baggy, boxy fit. Like I was saying, the length is not too long. I think it's perfect. Side view's looking good. Look at this thing, like the quality of it just looks super nice. Like you can just tell by looking at it. And look at that t-shirt coming through too. Yeah, I don't know what it is about this t-shirt color, but I really like it. So the ribbing on this, it's not too long or too short. I think it's just right in the middle and perfect. And then the hood also fits pretty good. There's a just nice like classic hood fit. See the side view. I like this hood a lot because it's like you can pull it over your face if you wanted to, like you're like chilling, want to block out the fucking sun or the light or something. But it also just sits very nicely like if you're just like chilling and wearing it. It's not tugging on my head or anything. Also, there's no drawstrings, which I personally love. And for you guys to reference, I am 5'10" and about 140 pounds. The size medium fits me perfectly. And the t-shirt also fits me pretty well. I could even go down to a small though. Just depends how oversized you like your clothing to be. Alright, so they also sent me this fabric sample with some print details on it. So this is the strike off that they sent me. It says, this strike off was made to show you the quality of our prints. We invite you to do a sample with your artwork. And so here we have a screen print, and then here we have a 3D print. So yeah, you can see the print is actually raised. This effect is pretty crazy. If you wanted to use this on your brand, it would definitely be a good standout kind of style. And damn, look at the detail on my camera. That's crazy. Okay, so a little bit about this brand, Rene Bassett. They are a luxury blank supplier from Portugal. And if you guys don't know, Portugal has like insanely nice blanks. I don't know what they're doing over there, but they're doing it right. I've gotten some blanks from Portugal before, and the quality is just like insane. All right, so like I said, they have over 15 colors. Right now, they're just doing t-shirts and hoodies, I think. Let me just pull up their website. Now let's see if I actually wanted to order these for my brand. What would I do? How do I get them? How much do they cost? I'll tell you. All right, so here we are on their website. So here, if we go to Wholesale, so if you want to get Wholesale with them, you're going to have to apply for an account. And my last video I just posted was entirely how to do this and get accepted every single time. Basically, all you're going to need is to have your business actually registered. So you're either going to need an EIN or a VAT. So if you don't have either of those things, you're probably not going to get accepted. These blank companies, they aren't going to do business with you if you're not actually a real business. Anyways, so the Wholesale application, super simple. Now, one thing about this website that is so goated is that they have blanks wholesale prices on their website. So you don't have to apply and then wait to see what the prices are. You can already see it right here, which is so nice of them to do. Also, the fact that they do not have a minimum order quantity. You can order one hoodie if you want, and it'll be 38 pounds. So 38 pounds is 48 US dollars. You're nearly paying $50 for a hoodie if you're ordering 1 to 3, but if you were to order 52, $37. So $37 for a blank, that is pretty expensive, but these are luxury blanks, and that is a very reasonable price for these. Wholesale blank t-shirt, you can see if you ordered 1 to 3 of them, it would be 18 pounds. It comes to about $23. Well, that's if you were to only order 1 to 3 of them. If you were to order, say, 26 of them, it would only be 12.90 pounds, which is equal to about 16 US dollars. So there's another thing that this company offers is they can do dye service and labeling service, so they can make neck labels. They can do embroidery or screen printing. Oh, and then they also got the sun faded effect. And the minimum order quantity for all of this stuff is only 50 pieces per color or style. Oh, and then they also have a section for the samples prices. Looks like that'll cost you about anywhere from 50 to 75 pounds. Oh, and then they also have a free consulting meeting. It's also very nice. This is not something that wholesale companies usually offer. So yeah, I really love how like transparent they are on the website showing the prices. That is very awesome. I wish that other wholesale blank companies would do the same thing. All right, let's take these things outside and show you guys how they would look if you were taking some product photos. All right, it's now been a week since they sent me these. I'm house sitting, by the way, but I've literally been wearing these every single day. I did wash them, don't worry. But this t-shirt is actually insane. It's definitely one of my favorite t-shirts in my closet. The hoodie is also an everyday essential. It's just got a great fit and it is very comfortable as well. If you guys want to order some blanks for your own closet, they did give me an affiliate link, so click the link in the description to order them. They have a ready-to-wear collection on their site. If you're interested in wholesale, I definitely recommend setting up that free consulting call and then just seeing what they could do for you. I'm also make a video sun fading and distressing the hoodie. So if you guys want to see that video and stay up to date with me and my brand, all of my social links are in the description. If any other brands want to send me some stuff to review, send me a DM on Instagram. But anyways, if you watched this far, I appreciate you. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.